Oh my goodness, I finally got some movement to it. Hi, I am Debbie. So I am just going to, I am not good at this, and I'm not even gonna cut this out. Y'all gonna see who I am, and I get tongue-tied, especially when I'm nervous, but this is kind of why I stopped doing YouTube videos, because I'm awkward as, but anywho, I just wanted to kind of document my journey with my Starter Locs, my lock journey in general. So to begin with, I'm not new to YouTube. I used to do YouTube videos back with my loose 4C natural hair. Not really that loose, very coily 4C natural hair. And I had a few videos, I deleted some. I still have one up that I actually like. Other than that, and that was years ago. That was like 7, 8 years ago. I don't even know. But so since then, I big chopped like 3 times. I went to a tapered shortcut that I loved, and I did that twice because I've always liked myself with short hair. I always thought it was cute on me. But now I'm on a new journey, and this is not just, you know, I'm doing a phase or something. Just, no, I'm not hopping on the bandwagon or anything. I've always loved locks on women. And 7 years ago, when I initially big chopped my hair, I wanted to begin locks. However, I listened to a few, you know, wise ones who recommended that, you know, it's not a good look. You shouldn't do that. Women shouldn't do that. It's not a good thing of God. And I listened. But after doing my research, years later, I'm like, no, I'm doing this. I wanted to get the sister locks. However, I don't have sister locks money to be spending on hair. No, that's just never been me. So, and the maintenance alone, I don't think so. At least with regular locks, traditional locks, you can begin to maintain them on your own without needing a loctician. So that's what kind of draw me to this path. But anywho, so enough about that little background. Here I am, 4C hair. I started my lock journey on February 10th. February 10th. So, one second. Sorry about that. I thought I could pause or whatever. But so as I was saying, I started my lock journey on February 10th. So I'm about 2 months and some change. 3 months and some change on my lock journey, and I am loving it. I really am. My husband has always been used to me doing different things with my hair, and he's always liked me with braids or faux locks, any of those styles he always loved. The weaves, the wigs, he's never been a fan. I don't mind, I'll try anything. And with this journey right now, like I just literally just, you know, had washed my hair because I wanted you guys to see. I wanted you to see where I'm at. And I'll post some pictures of when it's dry and everything. I'm coming up on my 6th week for a retwist. I'm thinking I'm gonna push it out to 8 weeks. I think I can get away with it. I've been wearing it out and about, but for work, I don't know why I'm still doing this, y'all. I am guilty. I don't really agree with the whole ugly phase, but I get it. Some people are just not comfortable or have that confidence. And some days I feel really confident with it, and other days I'm just like, But for work, for whatever reason, I've been throwing on a little stocking cap and throwing on one of those headband wigs to go to work. And I need to cut it out. So yeah, I need to cut it out. My husband been telling me, just, what are you doing? Wear your hair. But this is where we are. Hoping you guys can see. It's not fully locked, but it's getting there. You can see where they have begun to bud. I just learned about that term. I didn't know. Another thing I didn't know that I learned a few weeks ago. These, where can I find a good one? Let me see, I just saw one. Yeah, these guys here. You're not supposed to tug or pull on them like I'm doing right now. You're not supposed to pull them out. And I was doing that thinking, oh no, and my husband was doing it too. And I learned, because I joined 2 Facebook groups. One, which is Loc Queens, hey girls, and another one which is Loc Starters. Oh, they've been so informative, guys. So if you're new to this journey, or if you've been on this journey for years, who cares? Join the group. They are friendly, they are supportive, they are informative, and they just give you all the confidence in the world when you do share or ask your questions too, and no one's getting on you. We're all here to learn, and we all make mistakes. So I didn't know about that, and I was just, one other girl had posted asking about hers, and I was like, ooh, so I had to tell them, yeah, I'm guilty. I am guilty of doing that. So this is it right now. My edges aren't laid or anything. I am one of those ones who do like to lay her edges. I know some other, or just be free with it, and that's fine. Some days I am free with it. Other days I like to slay my edges. That's just who I am. Look, lint. Look at that. That's another thing that I've learned, that your hair will attract a lot of lint, and I try to get them out. So this is it. I'm so happy, y'all. Y'all don't understand. But I wanted to keep this video real short, just to introduce myself, just so you guys can see where I am. The back in the first few weeks kept undoing. So my first retwist after 6 weeks, I told her, I was like, oh my goodness, is this gonna keep happening? But thankfully after that retwist, they stayed. So I don't know why the first round it didn't go, but this is where it's at in the back. And I'm going to post some pictures of how it was in the very beginning, so you guys see in videos. So I decided to get, so they are traditional, but I wanted small traditional. And I know some locticians are doing micro traditional. I just thought those would be too tiny, especially when they grow out, because I have thick hair. My forested hair is very thick, and everyone I've been running to who have locks as well tell me, oh yeah, girl, yours is gonna be real thick. So I cannot imagine those tiny little ones like pulling on my hair, my edges like that, and then getting thick at the bottom of the shaft and all that. So no, I didn't want those. So I just went for the small, and I'm happy with this decision. I went with regular, a regular layout box, no diamond, no triangle or anything. Just regular box. Can't really see it right now because, like I said, I need a retwist. So different styles I've been doing. I'm not gonna kind of post it now, but pulling them up, you know, in the middle, doing that. I could probably pull it back in a pony, but I haven't done that. I just really been just letting them be, wearing them like this, or my bad. Hats have been my friend. Hats and scarves. Little headbands, and then of course the headband wig that I gotta stop wearing. But other than that, I am really happy. I don't want this video to be long. I will post the other few things, but be on the lookout for me. I'll show some more videos and just document my growth, and I'm happy to be on this journey, and I hope that you guys can join with me or watch by liking, subscribing to my channel. That's what everyone else says, so I guess I gotta say it too. All right, y'all.